500 tons and 6 meters now dismantled. And we are picking now to make sure of the cylinder will be not deformation. We will stand up this like this. To keep the cylinder of the machine, we'll keep the precision same as in our factory. You can see here, these parts is to keep for this stand same as this way, so that it will be shipping to customer warehouse and not deformation again. This is our shipping package solutions. And all these will be dismantled and packing like this to avoid the damage. This is a wooden box of the toe length. So focus on Durmapress. We are professional to manufacture of the heavy duty press brake, the big guys.